Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with, working down to the 1 hour. So on the daily time frame, I mean, we would kind of expect to see a wave B next, which would likely be a pullback to this whole move up, which would also likely end up taking out these lows right here. But we don't really have any evidence of that yet. This move down right here still could end up just being a pullback to this last move up. So, if it does something like this and then bounces, we do need to keep in mind that the daily and weekly time frame trend is up and it could continue its uptrend very, very easily. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we do have a breaker structure up right here, but this is definitely what I would consider a possible five-wave structure to the downside. So possibly like an A or a 1. You would kind of expect us to be in a wave B or a wave 2 right now, which you would kind of think would make a bigger pullback to this whole move. So if the dollar does keep on pushing up, then this possibly will keep on pushing up also. We got to break a structure, so now we need to put our Fibonacci from here to here, and we need to pay very close attention to these Fib levels because if we get a break a structure to the upside at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then we definitely want to take it as a long because not only is the weekly and monthly time frame and daily time frame trend up, but also based on structure, now that we get this break of structure on the 1 to 4 hour time frame, technically the shorter time frames are up also, so our primary goal should be looking for longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.